I show you how to install and activate Microsoft Office 2019 Pro Plus. So let's start. First of all, we should have to on our Wi-Fi. I've already on, and then we should have to click on Google Chrome, and then we should have to type get into PC, and after that we should have to press enter. Here is get into PC, download free your desired apps. We should have to click on this title. Here we should have to type Office 2019 Pro Plus free download. So we should have to download Microsoft Office 2019 from get into PC. So I am typing Office 2019. Office 2019 Pro Plus free download. We should have to enter this title and click on go. Here is came Office 2019 Pro Plus free download. We should have to click on this. Here is Office 2019 Pro Plus free download. We should have to go down. Here is download 32-bit and another is download 64-bit. So we should have to click on download 64-bit. After clicking on download 64-bit, now downloading will going to start. The download start, but I have already downloaded, so I want to cancel because I have already downloaded. After that, we should have to again uh, download activator.cmd. So we should have to type http 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 get dot ms guides msguides.com slash office 2019 dot txt. http get.msguides.com office 2019.txt. After that we should have to press enter, and here is the written thing. We should have to copy this in notepad. So we will have to select all. So we should have to right click on mouse and click on copy, and then we should have to open notepad. We should have to we should have to paste in notepad. Here is the written thing, and after that we should have to minimize it, and we should have to we should have to uh, disable internet and antivirus software. So go to Wi-Fi and turn off Wi-Fi, and we should have to go to antivirus software. I have used Kaspersky Internet Security, so right click on Kaspersky Internet Security, and we should have to click on pause protection. Click on pause protection. Continue. Again, we should have to uh, disable Windows Defender. So we should have to type Windows Defender. Here is Windows Security, and we should have to click on Windows Security. After that, we should have to go to Virus and Protection, and here we can see manage setting. We should have to click on manage setting, and we see that there is real-time protection. Here is on. We should have to make it off. Click on yes. Windows Defender security will also now disable. After that, we should have to close it. After that, we should have to open control panel, and we should have to delete the previous version which we installed Microsoft Office. So, open control panel, click on program and features, and then scroll down. At previous time I installed Microsoft Office 2019. So I am going to delete this Microsoft Office 2019. After deleting, and then I'm going to again install Microsoft Office 2019. So I have to disable 2019, which is previous version. So we should have to uninstall. Just click on uninstall. We should have to wait. Uninstalling done. Then we should have to click on close. Again, we should have to delete Microsoft Office Project Professional 2019. Click on yes. Click on install. And wait for a few time. Installing is finished. Click on close. Again, we should have to delete Microsoft Vision Professional 2019 in us. Double click on this and click on yes. Click on uninstall. It also takes few time. It is finished installing. Uninstalling. Finished. We should have to close it. Again, we should have to disable Microsoft OneDrive. Then we should have to click on Microsoft OneDrive. And then we should have to click on Microsoft OneDrive. There is Microsoft OneDrive. We should have to click on yes. Then uninstalling is uninstalled. This should be uninstalled. After uninstalling all Microsoft related thing, we should have to close control panel. Close control panel. Have to refresh. After that, have to again delete the extracted file which is extracted at previous time. So we should have to delete extracted file. So go to this PC. Here is downloaded file of get into PC, downloaded file of Microsoft Office 2019, and here is extracted file which is extracted at previous Microsoft Office. So I'm going to delete this extracted file of Microsoft Office which is installed earlier. So delete it. After that, again we should have to go to this PC, and we should have to go to C drive, and we should have to again go to program files. Then we should have to double click, and we should have to find Microsoft Office. Uh, this Microsoft Office installed at earlier, so I am going to delete this Microsoft Office because uh, at earlier time all Microsoft Office will have to delete it to replace new Microsoft Office 2019. After deleted this, again we should have to delete activator. This activator of Microsoft Office which is installed at earlier Microsoft Office. So we should have to delete this activator. After that, uh, after that we should have to open Notepad, which is minimized earlier. This is the file which is in Notepad, which we minimize at few minutes ago. So we should have to click on file, and we should have to click on save as, and in and we should have to save in desktop file. So click on desktop, and we should have to click on file name, and we should have to type activator.cmd. So we should have to type activator.cmd. Activator. We should have to make activator in capital letter, all words in capital. Activator.cmd. We should have to uh, type cmd in a small letter and activator in capital letter. Activator.cmd, and then we should have to click on save. After that, we should have to minimize. Here is new activator. After that, we should have to go to this PC and we should have to go to downloads, and here is the file of Microsoft Office 2019 which we downloaded. So we should have to right click on this file, and then we should have to click on extract. Here is extracting. This take few time. Extraction will be finished, and then we should have to scroll down, and here is the extracted file of Microsoft Office. Then we should have to right click on this file, and then we should have to click on open, and then here we see Microsoft Office 2016 to 2019 into 64 multi-language. We should have to right click on this file, and then we should have to again click on extract. Here is extracting file. Extracted will be finished. After that, we should have to double click on Office install. Should have to double click on Office install. Double click on Office install. Wait for a few times. otherwise we should have right click on this and we should have to click on open, and it will be saying on notice install.exe, then we have to click on yes. Here is Microsoft Office 2016. We can also install Microsoft Office 2016 or 2013 or 2019. Now we are going to install Microsoft Office 2019. So I click on Microsoft Office 2019 and here is into 64. We should have to remain same and then we should have to click on install Office. After clicking on install Office, here is the message. We are getting things ready. It is installing Office. It takes few time to install. Here is Microsoft Office is installed. Here is the message. We are seeing that you are all set. Office is installed now. It means we have installed Microsoft Office 2019. So we should have to close it, and again we should have to close this. After that, we should have to see start. We should have to click on start. After that, we should have to click on this all apps. After that, here we see Excel, Outlook, OneDrive for Business, and here is expand. We should have to click on expand. Here is PowerPoint, Vision, Project, Access, Word, OneNote, Access, and we should have to click on PowerPoint. I'm going to click on PowerPoint. Here is PowerPoint Office 2019, which we install now. Here's the background of this of PowerPoint 2019. This is the slide of PowerPoint 2019, and then we should have to click on this blank presentation. After clicking, it is shown, and we should have to click on File, and we should have to click on Account, and here is saying that product activated Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019. This product contains this. Here is product activated. Microsoft Office product activated. Here is saying, but if there is not saying that product is not activated, if saying that product is not activated, then we should have to activate by activator.cmd. But here is saying that Microsoft Office product activated. Here is saying product activated, so that we should have to click on minimize. But if Microsoft Office 2019 saying that Microsoft Office product is not activated, at that time we should have to do like that. Uh, at earlier time we make a folder name that is activator.cmd, in which we copy the command in Notepad, and we should have to save in a desktop file, so that here is activator file. If Microsoft Office 2019 is saying that there is not activated, Microsoft Office 2019 is not activated, at that time we should have to right click on activator, and then we should have to click on run as administrator. If we click run as administrator, then saying that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC, then we should have to click on yes. After clicking on yes, there is opening of command prompt. In the command prompt, there is loading of too many programs. After few time, the our Microsoft Office 2000 will be activated, and at the end of this program, there is saying that your your Microsoft Office 2019 will be activated, and there is also shown that in the box there is y/n, there is written, and then we should have to enter n. If you write, if you type n and then enter, then the command prompt will be disappear, and then our Microsoft Office will be activated easily. Thanks for watching.